Hello. I am Sherry Huang from Taiwan. It is very nice to speak at Indian Institute of Technology Ropar, one of the world's top-ranking universities. I'm working as a chair of ICAEA, a Taiwan chapter. In recent years, I've worked with several bank audit teams to enhance their processes using AI technology. This speech is to share my experience in using JCAATs, a Python-based audit software, for a fintech case. Bank frauds happen in many countries. Detecting embezzlement by bank employees is a common need within the banking industry to prevent the fraud. Many efforts have been made to prevent embezzlement fraud, but it still happens again and again. The slice shows some of recent cases in USA. In 2023, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, reported a total of more than 13,000 bank fraud cases across India. This was an increase compared to the previous years. The bank employee embezzlement fraud contains two phases. One is handling client accounts and the other is acquiring authority. Many fraud patterns have been discovered, but new ones continuously emerging. Behind these are human behaviors, and there are several fraud theories that can be discussed in this context. As the Chinese say, virtue is 1 foot tall, the devil 10 feet. Smart auditing will be a good solution for auditors to solve out this problem. What is smart auditing? Smart auditing involves using big data analytics with AI. With many years' experience as an auditor at KPMG and as chief internal auditor and chief accountant at a public company in Taiwan, I am now a part of the Jacksoft team, serving more than 1,000 clients in worldwide. From a practitioner's point of view, smart auditing is that an auditor can build an intelligent audit scripts with a smart way. Therefore, we've developed JCAATs, a smart auditing tool, to help auditors without IT backgrounds to actively engage in AI technology. Today, I'll explain how to use JCAATs to predict high-risk embezzlement transactions. We'll start with a video, followed by a discussion of the problems. Not like traditional audit tool, JCAATs mainly includes new functions required in the AI environment, such as machine learning, text mining, and data fusion. If you're interested, you can also check out the Google for many free videos to learn the modern audit software. JCAATs is currently at version 3.3, offering a user-friendly interface in 7 different languages. More than 1,000 individuals have been trained to use this tool in 2022. Once auditors have identified the audit issues, they can save their process logs as audit scripts. These audit scripts are Python codes. This approach is often called no-code. In ICAEA 2022 Computer Auditing, the Way Forward survey reports show more than 35% use 2 or more tools. JCAATs and Python are quickly becoming more popular. You can download the report from the white paper of ICAEA website. The case background is several bank frauds happen in 2019, Taiwan. The Financial Supervisory Commission took a major enforcement action for these banks. Therefore, we developed a smart auditing pilot project with one of my clients to improve their internal control for bank embezzlement fraud. The project was carried out in 6 steps. During the planning step, the project team used historical data to create a new column risk which labeled the transaction risk levels into high, medium, or low. The following testing data is a simulated example from the practical pilot case I have worked on. JCAATs provides 2 commands for supervised machine learning. 1. Train carry out machine learning on the training data, and generate knowledge models. 2. Predict import the knowledge model of machine learning to predict the data and display the probability. There are 5 different common machine learning algorithms in JCAATs. They are decision tree, KNN, logistic regression, random forest, and SVM. In the case study, we show to you 2 machine learning tasks, task 1: decision tree. Task 2: KNN. This is due to both algorithms easy to understand by auditors. Task 1: the first task is to perform the machine learning process by using decision tree algorithm. After using train command in JCAATs, it generated 3 different reports for users to evaluate the performance of the machine learning task. The pipeline of the machine learning process uses one hot encoder for target fields. The confusion matrix for decision tree is displayed on the screen. Based on the confusion matrix table and result graph, the auditors see that the learning result of this exercise is as follows. Correct: 5,549 records. Wrong: 1,916 records. The next task is to perform the machine learning process by using KNN algorithm. The confusion matrix for KNN, one hot encoder plus 80/20 data split method shows on the screen. Comparison of evaluation metrics, such as accuracy, precision, F1 score, etc. for the decision tree and KNN. The KNN machine learning process has a better performance. Then, we start to perform the predictive analysis by using predict command in JCAATs. The predictive analysis results will display as a table. It identifies the 2 staff members who are classified as high risk in the prediction results, and the internal auditors will check these 2 staff process transactions for the following investigation. The project aims are not just for the machine learning tests. It also focuses on training auditors to create their own intelligent audit scripts. There are 8 common errors for beginners to run machine learning. A smart auditing tool needs to assist auditors to overcome these errors. In this project, we have concluded that JCAATs can assist auditors in avoiding these errors, and simplify the process of creating intelligent audit scripts. One of my roles for the ICAEA is to invite more Asia universities to become ICAEA academic partners. They will receive the JCAATs software donation for their related courses teaching and certificate exam. I am also welcome the universities here to join the academic partners. Imagining auditors' future, collaboration with AI is the key to the future of auditing. I'm Sherry, welcome you to come and visit Taiwan. Please feel free to contact us with any questions. Thanks for your attention. Bye.